Hello you guys, and welcome back for another video. So today we're going to do a different eyeshadow tutorial. I already have set up my foundation, so get your brushes and grab whatever makeup you have similar to what I'm going to be using. I'll be using the color in orange and use some of the shade from the Moondust palette from Urban Decay. And I really do hope you enjoy this, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Alright you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is apply my primary eyeshadow. So I had already put that up, and then as always, I always apply some tape on the sides of my eyes so it doesn't get too messy. I'm going to go ahead and place some tape. And this is optional if you guys wanted to use it or not. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is start off with the NYX Ultimate Palette, and we're gonna be using this peachy color right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a brush. And I will start off by blending these on the crease. And I'm gonna use this cookie color right here, and this is like a light medium brown, and I will use that to put it underneath right here in the crease from the corner, and then I'll just start blending it with the pink one that I have. Now it looks purple, but it's not purple, it's a peachy color, so we'll see what look it comes out. And that is from the Beauty treasure box from the makeup that I bought at Target as well. We're just gonna go ahead and combine both colors. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is creating like a warm pink and brown color. I wouldn't know exactly what it will be called, but that's just somewhere around there where I'm trying to create. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same brush from the beginning, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with this one now. Now these kinds that give the effect like if it was a smoke eyeshadow. Okay, next I will use the Love You So Mochi, and I will use this shade right here. And I will apply this in the lid. So I will go back again with the other brush and just try to clean it up just a little bit. Let me know if you're starting to like the way it's coming out. And like I say, I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything, but I'm trying to learn by playing and showing you guys the things that we can actually do by just practicing. So if I say things wrong, I'm really sorry. I will try to do my best every time I do a video. So just really do hope that you guys do like the way that I set my makeup. So now I will use for the inner corner, I will use this peachy color right here, and I will put that in the inner corner of my eye. And I really want to thank all of you that have subscribed to my channel. I'm really thankful for your support. And oh my gosh, it's just, I never thought I would actually even reach to 100 subscribers. I really thank you all so much for the help. It just motivates me a lot. I'm gonna use this smudge brush by e.l.f. and I'll be using the same cookie shade, the medium brown that I mentioned at the beginning, and I'll be mixing that with the other color that we use under the eye. I will use the NYX Epic black eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my line. Now that I have created my wiglet, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. I will apply some Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Mascara. Now that I have set up everything, I'm gonna go ahead and place my fall eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I'm back. Now, since you already seen from the previous video that I did, I used the Mochi highlight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of it and try to give me some glow. But this time, I guess I'll mix 2 shades, or should I mix 3? So I'll go ahead and grab this one, and this one, and see what it combines. Let's use some in here. Let's use some in here. All right, ladies and you guys. So this is it for this what should we call it? Like a soft eyeshadow tutorial, I will say. I guess you can wear this as in daily. I really like the way it came out, even though I wasn't pretty sure exactly how it was gonna come out, but it came out really nice. And I love the way they all combined when it came to the process and blending it with the brush. And well, you guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe once again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.